Greetings and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ikram bin Mohsin. I'm entry number 281036. And today I'm going to provide a brief explanation of my low fidelity prototype and also a small demonstration. So the title of my project is Political Bias Detection for News Articles. I'm working in this project in collaboration with my supervisor, Dr. Sabri. So as you can see that this is the input area where the user will paste the text of a given news article, and then when they click the analyze button here, it will show the results, which is two results. The first is sentiment analysis. It will show the sentiment of the article, either positive, neutral or negative, in the form of percentages, and also the bias analysis, which is what party is the article more focused on, either the government or opposition, also in the form of percentages. For the keywords here, it will display the top 5 keywords that the NLP model used to identify either the bias of the article. So it will show the top 5 words, and then summary, it will display a sentence that will summarize all this information, both the sentiment and the bias analysis results, but it will be more clear in the demonstration part. And then I will take this article, for example, this article about US inflation rates. So I will copy this article text and put as indicated here. And then the more text that you can include is better, because it's better for the model to analyze. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I will not copy all, just because this is should be enough information to provide just a demonstration. So I click on the analyze button, and as you can see, it will display the results. This is an article about inflation rate, so it is expected to have a negative sentiment. It uses somewhat lot of negative words, so it has 40% negative sentiment. And for the bias analysis, it shows that because again this is about inflation rates, so the focus of the article is more on the government side. And then for the keywords, you can see the keywords are inflation, Federal Reserve, interest rate hikes here being a negative connotation, stimulus package, and then the name of the current president of the US. So it has a negative sentiment here, and also focus on more on the government. So, and as you can see from the summary part, it will summarize the information in the form of this type of sentence. This article is negative, which is a bias, towards the government, which is the party, the bias party. And then if you I click on this other sources label, which is the hyperlink, it will link to a Google search of similar to the title of the article. As you can see, there's inflation for 30%, so it will copy the title and paste into the Google search, so you can see similar articles with the same content, so you can either judge for yourself or even try to put it here for to check their biases and their sentiment, so you can have more breadth of sources and be more educated to similar news of the same content. So that's all from me. Thank you.